friends, I am Akhil Srivastava teaching you Maths class 10th NCERT chapter 4 quadratic equation. Many lectures I have given on the basis of quadratic formula and completing square. So quadratic formula, which is called Sri Dayacharya formula, you are getting some examples and exercise in the previous, some examples of in the previous lecture. Now you see the last example of NCERT before exercise 4.3. It is given a motor boat question. Motor boat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water and 24 km. It takes the 1 hour more in 24 km upstream and return downstream. Find the speed of the stream. In still water, its speed is given. Speed of motor boat in still water. What is given? 18 km per hour. It is given the 18 km per hour in still water. Motor boat in still water. Now, let the speed of stream be x km per hour. So, motor boat have the two speeds. What is? One is upstream and one is downstream. What is the upstream? Upstream the speed will be reduced by 18 minus x, and downstream the speed will be increased by the speed of the stream. This is the up and down. And the question is given 1 hour more to 24 km than to return upstream, then to return in downstream. It is 1 hour more than upstream. Upstream is a speed is this, downstream 1 hour difference in the time taken is given. So time taken is upstream and time taken is downstream. Time taken upstream will be distance upon speed, that is 24 upon 18 minus x. Time taken in the downstream, distance upon speed 24 upon 18 plus x. It is the time taken by both the streams. It is going up, it is going down. Up means opposite direction of the flow of water. So difference of this, which is more? This is the more upstream because of the smaller. So it is more. Time of u upstream upon time of minus time of downstream is given 1. So 24 by 18 minus x minus 24 upon 18 plus x is equal to 1. You take the LCM. It is your, according to problem you have written. You get 24 in bracket 18 plus x minus 24 in bracket 18 minus x is equal to 1. You solve it from the equation. You get 24 common, 18 plus x minus 24 minus 18. 24 is outside. 18 plus x. Open the bracket, minus minus plus. Upon 18 square minus x square is 1. So here 18 and 18 cancel. So 24 to the 48x you will get 48. What will you get in the numerator? 48x upon 18 square you will get 324. Minus x square is equal to 1. So 48x is equal to cross multiply minus x square. A plus b, a minus b, I am applying 324 minus x square. Transpose this side. x square plus 48x minus 324 is equal to 0. Your equation is ready to solve by quadratic or by middle term. Anyone you can see. You can apply middle term also, you can solve by the direct method. So x square, what is A is 1, B is 48 and C is equal to minus 2, 3 to 4. By this also you can do. Discriminant you calculate. B square minus 4AC, that is 48 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 3 to 4. So you will solve the question 48 square and then when you solve these all, your answer will be 3600. What are you getting here? 3600, which is greater than 0. So roots you find out. Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2. So minus 48 plus minus root 3600 divide by 2 into a. What is a? 1. So you are getting minus 48 plus minus 60 upon 2. This you solve. So how will you solve it? Roots alpha is equal to minus 48 plus 60 by 2, 12 by 2, 6, and beta is equal to minus 48 minus 60 by 2. Then you get minus 108 by 2 minus 54. It will be reject. Why reject? Because negative will be not the speed. So x is equal to 6. So speed of stream is equal to x is equal to 6 km per hour. What is your answer? You are getting 6 km per hour. Now you will see the question number 1 of exercise 4.3. Question number 1 of exercise 4.3. Question number 1 of exercise 4.3 we'll see here. What is given here? Find the root of the following quadratic equation. Find the root of the following quadratic equation. What is question first? If they exist, like the example given 4.3 exercise 4.3 question number 1 first part. What is the first part? 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. What is A? A is 2. What is B? Minus 7. What is C? 3. So D you find out. B square minus 4ac minus 7 square minus 4 into 2 into 3. 49 minus 24. You are getting it has a real roots. It has distinct real root. You write these things. So roots, what is the roots? Minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac. The question is given. No, it is given completing square method. Actually, it is given the completing square method. I am solving by this also. So by 2a. Question number 1 is given. So I am solving by formula, quadratic formula. Solve it by completing square also. Minus b minus minus 7 plus minus under root 25 by 2a. So what will you get? 2a means 2 into 2. 7 plus minus 5 by 4. So roots alpha is equal to 7 plus 5 by 4. Beta is equal to 7 minus 5 by 4. 4 3 are 12. Beta is equal to 2 by 4. That is 1 by 2. You are getting 4 3 are 12. So you are getting 12 by 4 means 3. Your answer is coming 3 and your answer is coming 1 by 2. There is a 2 answer you are getting, but by completing square, same by completing square, first part 2x square plus minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. It is not a completing square, complete square, so multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. What will you get? 4x square minus 14x plus 6 is equal to 0. I am multiplying this by 2. It is by completing square method. So convert into the whole a plus b whole square. 2x square plus 2 into a into b. What will you write? You want 14. 7 by 2. Because 2 to cancel. Plus b square. 7 by 2 square. Minus 7 by 2 square. Plus 6 is equal to 0. First 3 times giving you the whole square. So you are checking. After this the question is given if exist, means from here you find the completing square method. So 2x plus minus plus is here plus 7 by 2 whole square minus 49 by 4 plus 6 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 7 by 2 whole square is equal to 49 by 4 LCM minus 6 4 ja 24. What are you getting? 25 by 4. So 2x plus 7 by 2 is equal to square root 25 by 4 gives you plus minus 5 by 2. Same thing here also you are getting. So now 2x is equal to 2x plus 7. If 2x plus 7 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2, then 2x is equal to 5 by 2 minus 7 by 2. Here minus is given, one problem here. Here minus sign, so here you put the minus. I have written plus, so you write down minus sign. So here what are you getting? 2x is equal to 12 by 2. So x is equal to, it is 6 by 2, 2 is equal to 3. You are getting here 3, and by quadratic formula also you are getting 3. Second part, if 2x minus 7 by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 2, then 2x is equal to minus 5 by 2. Minus will change into plus, plus 7 by 2. What are you getting? 5 minus 7, 2 by 2 is equal to 1, then x is 1 by 2. You are getting here also 1 by 2 and here also 1 by 2. That's all for today. Rest part I will tell you in the next video. Thanks.